Good afternoon, Leon Erasmus, Back to the Roots Ministry, and also Director, Beloved Creation Nonprofit. It's a huge privilege and honor for me to be here. I've been invited by Rise Eves to journey with you on a venture of discovery over the next 22 weeks in actually breaking down the 22 letters of the Hebrew alphabet and discovering what is hidden in these letters from ancient times until today. What can we discover in these 22 Hebrew alphabet letters, from the Aleph to the Tav? And of course we know that this is one of the oldest languages that existed. It's also the language that God chose to speak to human beings, as he spoke to Moses or Moshe in this language. Where did it all start? It started in the beginning. John 1 verse 1 to 3 explains clearly to us that in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was God. The Word was with God. He was with God in the beginning, and all things came to be through him, the Word. And without him, nothing made had been. This Word is, of course, our Messiah, but it's also the Word that brought creation into existence. So basically, the Word, or the alphabet, or the Aleph Tav, is the building blocks of creation. And we will be discovering over the next 22 weeks how these building blocks are put together, and how these building blocks actually, and what we can discover from these building blocks in the Hebrew alphabet. I'm very excited for you to join us. It will be every Thursday. It's not going to be in the regular slot on Wednesday mornings. That will continue as normal, but it will be every Thursday. There will be a 3-minute video posted on social media, YouTube and Instagram, Facebook. And please join us in this video as we discover the ancient Hebrew letters, and what is the message that God gives us through each and every one of these letters. Of course, the letters consist of 4 elements. First of all, the letter has a pictograph or picture. It has a value, it has a meaning, and it has what we refer to as a gematria. And we will discover all of that across the course of the next 22 weeks. Please join us. Take hands with Beloved Creation and Rise Eves Ministry movement. Excited to see you there. May shalom and grace be ours in full measure.